वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी 3 म्हयने पयलीं हांव ही जावन आसा ही सगळीं फ्रुटां आतां सोक करून दवरपाची आसा 3 म्हयन्यांक लागून. आनी क्रिसमस केक विदाउट एनी अल्कोहॉल. सो इट्स ओनली विथ द ड्राय फ्रुट्स what is available in the market, and I'm going to use this grape juice, apple juice, and this is pomegranate juice. So this 3 juice I am going to use for this Christmas cake, which is going to be without eggs also. So this Christmas cake what I am going to bake is without alcohol, no alcohol and no eggs. So let's do for all those people who don't like eggs in their cakes and also don't like alcohol. So what I have taken is dates. So this is like 50 gram dates, 50 gram of plums, 50 grams of cherries. Then this is around 25 grams of walnuts, 25 grams of cashew nuts, and 25 grams of kishmish raisins, and these are like black currant. So I have taken all this. So it is like how much you want. You can put lots of fruits. Okay. So I am going to put like 25 and 50 grams. But if you want to put more, you can always put more. And juice whatever is available. So this is 320 ml. This is 180 ml. And this is 180 ml for this quantity. Okay, let's start. So we'll add this. And we add all our fruits. So हे 3 बसेचे ज्यूस घेतला आणि हे जावन आतां सगळे हितून वयतले सोकिंगाक. So we'll keep this for 3 months. So now October, November and December, just before Christmas, then we'll bake this. So around December 15 we should bake this. You can keep this for 6 months also, but I am keeping it for 3 months. Now after this, you can either keep it directly, cover this and keep it in fridge, or you can take bottle and pour this along with juice. Okay. So here it is. Now this will go directly in the fridge. See you after 3 months. Thank you. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली सावध आनी भलायकीन. So today I am going to show you all how to make Christmas plum cake or Christmas fruit cake without milk and without eggs. This is eggless for all those people who don't relish eggs, and also for those people who are allergic to milk. So what you need is flour, some dry fruits which I have been kept this for soaking. So whatever dry fruits, whatever you are going to use, you can soak it. So as you have seen what quantity I have used, and I made 2 batches out of this while soaking. So 2 batches means I put in 2 bottles after soaking. Now what you need is flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and oil, vanilla essence, nutmeg, and cinnamon powder. So just watch this step by step. So first I will add the dry ingredients in this to save that. So I am using the quantity, please note down, 2 cups of this measurement, which is available in Amazon. So this is 2 cups I am taking. So 2 cup घेता मैदा, all purpose flour or मैदा. Then we'll add our 3/4, 1 minute. So we'll take baking soda, which is half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon. And this is the measurement. Again, this is a full set actually, which is easily available in Amazon. So this is half teaspoon of baking soda. Then we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So again, measurement is easily available on Amazon or any supermarket. So this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we have a pinch of salt we will add to this. So it's like pinch means half teaspoon of salt will take. So we'll mix this and keep this aside. So these are the dry ingredients. Okay, so this is done. Keep it aside. Now we'll mix the wet ingredients. So for that we will take our half cup of oil, vegetable oil, okay, without any smell. Don't use mustard oil, vegetable oil. In this we'll add few drops of vanilla essence, like 1 teaspoon you can take, or few drops. Then we will add our fruits and we will give a mix to this. Now I have kept 1 cup of apple juice separately if we need to combine everything. Now we'll add, so this is like 3/4 cup of sugar and I have added this 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, but you can add less if you want. I'm not adding any other flavor, so I'm giving this flavor for this. And this is 3/4 cup of normal sugar, and I will grate little bit of nutmeg. So you can say little bit. Mix this. So now what I will do, I will take this 1/2 cup of apple juice more and add in this. So whatever is needed, that only you add. Let's now add our dry ingredients. So slowly you add this dry ingredients, that is our flour. Mix this nicely so it doesn't have any lump. I will add little bit of apple juice. So 1/4 cup I will again add to this. And mix this nicely. See that you don't have any lumps to this. Preheat your oven on 170 degrees for 10 minutes, and we have to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. So we have to keep a check on this. So I will add little bit of more, because so I think so this whole 1 cup you need of the apple juice extra. So we'll grease this 9. So this is 9 this way, 9 this way, and the depth of this is around 2 centimeters. So I'm applying oil only to this, and then I will put my baking paper, or you can add your butter paper. So now we'll put our batter in this. So here is our batter ready, nicely mixed, no lumps. I will add in this. Let's give a tap and let it now bake this for 40 minutes. Okay, we'll show you the result after 40 minutes. Here it is gone for baking. So 170 for 40 minutes.
Here's the cake. Now let's cut it. Here we go. It's nice and soft and moist. See.
How is it?
Very tasty.
Yum. Hope you all will all enjoy this Christmas by making this Christmas cake, okay, fruit Christmas cake without milk and without egg, eggless Christmas cake. Enjoy. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी हे क्रिसमस केक कोत्तरी जेंकां तांतयां लायकना तांकां दुधाची एलर्जीक आसा हे तांकां लागून ही स्पेशल केल्या हांवें. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं and Merry Christmas.